Welcome back to Dental Vibes. I'm Gabby.
And I'm Carla. As of right now here in Florida, our governor released a statement saying that all dental offices should close until May 8th unless we see a true emergency. And that indicates a true emergency is pain, infection, or swelling. So there's a lot of things going through our minds. What do we do now?
So right now, it's a bittersweet. We're torn because if you stay open, then everybody is terrified of what's going on. So obviously, we are very high risk. We don't want to catch the virus. We don't want to catch it, be a carrier, give it to somebody else, or expose other patients.
Exactly.
But also, if we close, then we will stay without an income for now for over a month. Like, could you imagine not getting a paycheck over a month? Like, to me, it didn't like
it took 24 hours to sink in.
Yesterday I was thinking, okay, it's gonna be fine, and then I think again, I'm like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? Like, I'm freaking out. So it's just really hard to believe that this is going on, but we're all in this together, and we just have to figure it out.
Exactly. I mean, definitely everybody in the world is dealing with this. And for us in dentistry, we're also taking a big hit. One of the biggest hit in dentistry right now, aside from the chaos that's happening, is the miscommunication that is going on amongst dental offices. And we've talked about it before because it's a common problem regarding other things. But recently, I had a friendly exchange of words with somebody because this person was calling the team members selfish for being upset that they had to collect unemployment, and that was it, Listen, I get it that a dental office cannot stay closed for
over a month and just send us the paycheck.
Yeah, I understand that. But what I'm complaining about is the miscommunication that other dental assistants are dealing with, and just like getting dropped by their bosses. That's just not right in my opinion. And it's like, come on, we work closely together,
I agree. I think right now that the most important thing is to show some emotional support. Everybody is freaking out. We're all going through this. I'm sure the dentists are freaking out as well. I mean, they're not going to do any production, make any money for over a month. So it's stressful. But it's very important for them to communicate with us. To show some sympathy.
Exactly.
Right? To say, hey, or the office manager as well, to say, hey, we're here. Let us know if you need anything, any information that you need to file for the unemployment, or if I have to help you with anything, I'm here. So that's very important.
Yeah, especially for new timers, which, by the way, Shay, thank you for walking us through how to do that, because you saw that one comment that it was just like, you do it yourself.
Yeah, I mean, the comments from other offices are just every second right now. I can't open my Facebook or Instagram without seeing so many concerns and so many crazy stories. But this one dental assistant was very concerned about what's going to happen, and went to her dentist and asked, how are we going to do this? Do we have to file for unemployment? Do I need any information for that? Like, I don't know what to do. And the dentist was pretty much like, I don't know, figure it out.
Yeah, and she has to go to a Facebook group to get that
ask questions. That, like, I see so many people on Facebook on the groups asking questions, and I'm like, your manager should be offering all that information. So I just don't understand how some offices are just kind of like, I wash my hands, you fight for yourself.
Something else that really upset us that we saw on the Facebook groups is that people aren't being allowed to cash in their PTO in some offices. And I'm like, that's your benefit, by the way. Obviously, nobody wants to cash in that in March for for not even going on a vacation. But that's still their benefit, and not being allowed to do that, I don't know. That's pretty dicey, and I'm sure that's wrong 100%.
Absolutely. I mean, now this is the time for you to evaluate who you work for, because your office is really going to show their true colors on how they treat you in this time. So also, I heard that some states obviously are still staying open as of right now.
Yeah.
That might change very soon.
Yeah.
But some assistants and some hygienists, they were not comfortable working, and they,
understandably.
yeah. And they addressed the concerns to the dentist, said, hey, I don't feel comfortable working. And the dentist was pretty much like, so are you going to put your 2 weeks now or later? So it's like, obviously, that employer does not care about your well-being, does not care about your concerns, does not care about your feelings, just doesn't care about you at all.
Yeah.
All right. We're going to change the gears here and get into the positive dental vibes, because we do need to recognize the great offices out there that do love their employees, that take care of their team. They do exist. Yes, they do exist out there. And we do have to give them a shout out. So I read a story about this associate that said, you know, we're closed and I'm not going to get paid for the time that we're closed, but my next paycheck, I want to distribute between the 3 assistants in the office because they need it more than me.
That's pretty big.
And I literally, I got chills.
Yeah.
Because that is so touching and it's so sweet, because it's true. I mean, assistants, we don't make that much, and we already, you know, have this discussion all the time about our income. So it's really thoughtful that, you know, somebody will think of us.
Another thing that I heard that it moved me too is some offices were offering actually an additional 2 weeks of PTO, that even if they don't use it right now, they will still be available for the remainder of the year. So that's big, because those people are covered for the holidays. So I'm so glad for them. So I'm really happy.
That is really nice. I mean, just like we said before, right now, even if it's just emotional support. You know, I've been hearing other offices, they have just people come in. Obviously, we are still open for emergencies, so people come in and rotate, so everybody can do some hours. So that is helpful as well.
Yeah, and it keeps you going, because not doing anything gets hard too. Also, like having a group chat with your team members, you know, with your coworkers, just having that, maybe sharing some laughs, you know, memes. I think it's great because it keeps the lines of communication open. Again, that's big and important. And it feels you that you're still connected to everybody.
And kind of like, hey, if anybody needs anything, just shoot us a text and we'll help out in any way we can.
Okay guys, so let's just try to keep calm as best possible and take it day by day, really, because information keeps changing daily. So if you have come to an agreement with your office, please let us know in the comment below.
Also, if your office is open or closed, let us know in a comment and tell us which state you're in.
Like this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Hit the notification button. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram. We are going to have a lot of free time. So I'm sure we'll be coming out with a lot of dental memes to make you laugh.
And we'll see you next time.
Keep smiling.